Language learning made easy. Hello, lovely students, and welcome to English for Beginners. I have a very special lesson for you today. That's going to help you practice your speaking and listening skills in English through many different activities. Some of them might include new vocabulary for you. Don't worry, I'll provide a full list at the end of the video. Okay, let's practice together now. For class details.
Unit 23, Arts and Crafts class.
Hi, Mom. I'm back from Arts and Crafts class. Look at what I'm wearing.
Well, you're wearing a blue t-shirt and jeans.
Sure, but what else am I wearing?
Oh, those earrings are very pretty. Is that what you're learning to make this week in Arts and Crafts class?
Yes, we're learning to make jewelry from beads this week. The beads come in different colors and shapes. First, we decide what sort of jewelry we want to make. Then, we choose the beads we want and string them on transparent plastic wire.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
Yeah, Tom made a bead necklace for his sister, and I made some earrings. Guess what, Mom? I made a pair of earrings for you too.
Oh, these are very pretty. Thank you very much.
Next week, I'm going to make a necklace.
Vocabulary. Arts and Crafts class. Wear. T-shirt. Jean. Pretty. Beads. String. Transparent plastic wire. Necklace. Earring. Thank you and goodbye.